In this super tutorial, we will be making henna designs for tattoos. Assalamualaikum everyone. So recently I have been told by many of my English friends that they like my videos, but they want something a little easier. So to start our henna tattoo, I went with a much more basic and singular design such as a flower. So one other thing that I've noticed in lots of other designs I've seen is people adding this bell type design to their flowers. It's something I'm doing here which is simple enough. I tend to always do them in pairs, so don't go more than 2. Also, adding a quick swirl to use with flowers and leaves. The vines that I'm using here is something that you can easily add, and it will make most of your other elements look very pretty. Additionally, I put together a couple of new vines that I have not used before. The flower I have chosen to do here is a water lily, which is very popular and the international flower of Bangladesh. So now that I'm putting it all together, I've started with the flower, but I made it smaller. However, you can start with a larger one if you'd like. Then around it, I'm putting the elements that we've been through. This is very good for a tattoo design which you can put on most parts of your body. So this is the tutorial for today. I hope you will try and make a nice tattoo. So please make sure to give it a like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.